Hello. This is the fingerprint dual side, password dual side, and the key dual side, card dual side, waterproof version. So it works now. You see, the battery is outside, and it's used 12 external 12 VDC. You see, this is the access power access, and here is the here comes is 220, and here output is 12. Can you see from here? Okay, just 12 and GND. Okay, come to here is this one. This one. Okay, so we can unlock from the outside. Okay, outside unlock. Okay, and unlock from inside. Okay. 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 And password. Okay. And inside by password. Okay. Here, this terminal comes with the door exit button. So here, when you need to connection the door exit, okay, you can see unlock. Okay. Okay. So if we use the battery, also it can work. Now you can see the external 12 VDC are removed and put is the battery. So we can see use the finger unlock. Okay. And from inside. Okay. Okay, by the door exit. So both the battery or the electricity both can work, and then they can work in together. Just to okay, you can see battery. Okay, and the external 12 VDC, they both put in together and can work. Okay, by the door exit. Okay, it's no effect. Okay, 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 okay. And by inside. Okay, so they both can work battery or external electricity. Both can work, or either power supply way to work. No problem.